Nafuma pam da da da, apopa mama na tata, Jehovah na papata, Sambikinko, Oli kuno, Nafuma pam da da da, apopa mama na tata, Jehovah na papata.
I think I said this yesterday. Was it yesterday? Oh, yeah, I didn't record it. So I saw this. What's this? Yeah, I saw this move and I knew that we'll have a bearish candle around here. I just knew it to be rejected. So this is how the daily candle closed. This is Monday's candle. And I'm not really satisfied with the closing. I wish it was more down here. No. More of an inverted hammer, something like that. But let's see. So this is what happened yesterday. I missed this move. I would have scaled in and took out something to there. Anyway, yeah, you won't capture all the moves on the market. So the thing is, price moves. If price moves to this point and forms any signal or any, if I see any exhaustion from the bears, I'll go along. Or if I see any pin bar showing indecision, like we don't know who's in control, I'll set my order just above here to go long. But if I don't see anything like that, or if I see any bearish candle, I might keep my order because this might be a fake out. Then it will just take us up with it, but I'll keep my order. But if market moves back as though it's retracing with small candles, I'll delete my order because we might just be triggered, then price moves back down. So yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to today. If we have indecision, I'll set my order, then we'll go along. Yeah, but overall, I hope it can continue coming down. I want it to test this area. Once it tests this area again, I'll be satisfied. Like, okay, I'll be happy going long. I'll have no worries because I know that, okay, this zone is done with. It has been defeated. So, but for now, it still has to be retested and retested. Yeah, so if I see something like, okay, there was a breakout of this zone, it's been retested, I'll go along. Comes back, retested, I'll enter again. Retest this zone, bounce on this zone, comes back. If area has been retested and rejected so many times, then it's a very good support zone. So this area right here, it's a very good support zone. It's a good area to go along. Imagine if price comes back again to this area and gets rejected, like you're seeing indecision, because these are weeks on a different time frame. Look at this on a weekly. Imagine 1, 2, 3, 4, if you might consider. Just being rejected, like price comes down, rejected, price comes down, rejected, price comes down, rejected, price comes. If that happens again and you see rejections, certified, can go along, risk all your account. I'm just joking. Yeah, it's a sure thing, something like that. Not really. Yeah, so hopefully it doesn't come back to retested zone again. If a zone is retested so many times, it might become weak. Yeah, then might just break and retest and we'll be going down. No, I don't want us to go down. Just wanted to come and retest this one, then we'll go long. I set an order yesterday, it wasn't triggered. Yeah, but I'm happy it wasn't triggered. It was more of the fear of missing out than good analysis. Um, but now it makes more sense to go long. Um, can you guys see? Yeah, okay, something like this. So if price comes back to this area, just like we wanted to, okay, if it comes back to this area, this trend line, this zone, not exactly, so it might even be rejected somewhere here. If we see indecision, if we see rejections, long weeks, then we'll go long. If we see, sorry, so if we see if we see indecision, dodges, if we see engulfings, you know, long weeks, dodges. If we see that here, we'll go long. I'll set my order just above here, you know, then I'll go long. Where will be my target? I wouldn't love to set targets, but because this will be an impulse move. But yeah, somewhere here. I'll probably set my target somewhere here, then I'll trail it. Yeah. So even though I'm stopped out somewhere here while it's trading it, that was my initial target anyway, and it doesn't change anything. So yeah, what's the psychology factor here? Price is at its all-time high. It's ranging. I think if it comes back down to this zone, you see this zone here, this zone that has been retested a couple of times. Comes back to this zone, like here, ranges into this bottom part. Yeah, comes back to this zone, gets rejected. I'm going long. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Still takes out this high, pushes back still. But if it comes down somewhere here, go long again, might now take out the all-time high. So we haven't taken out the all-time high on the Australian 200. We have on the German 30, and we have on the US 30. We also have on the US 100. We also have, oh no, we haven't taken out the all-time high on the Swiss. We've taken the all-time high on the France 20. And so my order wasn't triggered as well here. Indecision, I think it's the biggest pullback in this trend that we have. It's at its all-time high. Rooting for it to break the all-time high. So if it breaks below, retests, then we'll have a bearish move for a while. But if it breaks above the trend line, then we might just retest, then break the all-time high. Yeah, that's what I think. I actually don't do my analysis on this. I just take trades. That's why it's quite plain and all that. In my next video, I'll use the actual actual XM MetaTrader platform that I use to take my trades, that I used to do my analysis. It's quite a mess. I factor in a lot of things. Yeah. But yesterday it was more. I was quite busy yesterday, so I missed some good moves, but it doesn't matter. So I just thought of certain trades, but I didn't do a very good analysis. So it's 7:32 now. I'll make another video probably in around 22 to just show you how the day went and all that. I'll try to keep such videos short. Then the end of the week analysis, I'll try to make them much longer. Then I'll explain my strategy in another video. Thank you.